Welcome to 7593 Twilight Drive. Nestled in the heart of Sacramento's Meadowview neighborhood, this charming and well-maintained single-story greets you with fantastic curb appeal. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the warm rustic flooring in the hallway and dining areas, complemented by matching carpeting in the living room and family room. A family room perfect as a flex space for entertaining or relaxation. The kitchen is equipped with sleek black appliances and a functional layout which offers plenty of storage and workspace. Nicely sized bedrooms offer comfort and ample closet space. The hall bathrooms feature dual vanities, which offer convenience for those busy mornings. Updates include a brand new roof and water heater, both installed in 2023, ensuring this home is move-in ready with peace of mind for years to come. Outside, the spacious backyard is perfect for outdoor activities, gatherings, or simply relaxing in the California sun. Living here, you'll love the close proximity to Delta Shore's shopping plaza, which offers a wide array of shopping, dining, and entertainment options just a few minutes away. Plus, easy access to I-5, commuting and traveling to other parts of Sacramento or beyond is a breeze.
Sacramento.